Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Siri and search for mail app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on mail. Next, tap on Siri and search. Then at the top here, tap on learn from this app. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This will allow Siri to learn from how you use mail to make suggestions across apps. Next is the search feature. So while searching, you can choose to show or hide the mail content in the app itself in the search result. So here you can switch it off or turn it on. You can choose to allow the content in search or not by tapping on the toggle button here. And lastly is the suggestions. You can choose whether you want to allow suggestions, anything that is related to your mail app in here. So show in app, show on home screen, suggest app, and suggest suggestion notifications of your mail app. So you can control them by tapping on the toggle button here. And that's it. So after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.